Hey guys, it's a story time and how I got my natural lashes to look this blooming good. I'm going to show you before now. Oh guys, I don't even want to look. What is going on there? Short, stumpy lashes. Look at the brows as well, very sparse. Not a vibe. So a family member of mine had the most gorgeous long lashes and I was like, honey, how did you get your lashes looking that amazing? And she went, I use a lash serum from a brand called NYK1 Secret. So I was like, never heard of that before. I'm going to check them out. She went, Amber, trust me, your lashes will grow amazingly. So here we are. I've got their lash serum and I've also got their brow serum as well. So basically my natural lashes were quite good, and then I got some individuals put on, pulled them all out because I didn't like them, and it left me with really short stumpy lashes like you saw in that picture there. So I set myself a mission to grow my natural lashes. I started using this serum, and I'll be honest, I wasn't even using it religiously. I was using it maybe once a day, most days, but literally not every day, and I saw such rapid growth. So the picture that I just showed you was taken on the 15th of January, and this is my lashes now. For the whole of the month of March, I have said to myself, I'm going to use this serum day and night, so twice a day, and my lashes have grown so quickly. So gone are the times when I used to feel so insecure and not want to go out on a night out or do anything really without a set of strip lashes on or false eyelashes. But thanks to these amazing serums, honestly, I feel like it's changed my lash life.